Hey, what's going on, everyone? Wanted to do a quick video on the new circle to search that has been added to the Pixel 8 Pro. So if you have a Pixel 8 Pro, you'll definitely want to watch this video so you can check out this new feature that Google has now released on the Pixel 8 Pro series. Okay, so the Pixel 8 Pro has now received the circle to search feature, which was originally announced with the Galaxy S24 series, specifically Galaxy S24 Ultra. So what this is you want to make sure that on your Pixel 8 Pro that we go into our Play Store, and we want to make sure that we have all the latest updates if it has not been updated. So we'll go ahead and go in here and take a look. I probably have, I've got about 22. So let's just go ahead and update those. While that's updating, the new feature, there is no announcement. It doesn't show up in the Pixel Tips. So if you go into Pixel Tips, it actually doesn't show that feature in here. But what it is we have the navigation button down here. If we press and hold this, you now get a haptic feedback and you'll see this new screen. And what this will allow you to do is to simply circle something and it will go out and it will look for that. Let me go ahead and enable my data on here quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just go and find something here. So let's see what we have here in our feed. Let's just go ahead and click on this. So what this is going to do is once we load the page, the circle to search feature allows you from anywhere in the phone to go ahead and press and hold. So let's just go ahead and find something here to look up. Now let's go ahead and click on this. Okay, so we've got some information on the latest Captain America movie. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and press and hold here. And now we can go ahead and pick something. So let's go ahead and we're going to pinch to zoom. And let's say I want to get, why not? Let's get Doctor Strange here. So we can go ahead and really zoom in on it. And what's going to happen is once we do that, it goes out and it's going to search. Let's go ahead and do this. And you can see when we search this that it brings up a bunch of different related items. So what we can do is we can actually get really detailed with this. So let's just find something here. Let's just go ahead and jump into this one here. So we'll go ahead and we can do this with a picture. We can also do it with text. So if we just circle the text, it will actually go and find related text. You can also either copy or you can translate that as well. So if we wanted to translate that, we can go ahead and translate that and it'll give us a translation here. If we were doing it from English to, let's go ahead and just pick something. Let's just say Spanish. So now we have a translation from English to Spanish. We could also change that if we wanted to go to something like, let's see, why don't we do Arabic? So now we have a translation. So this is really cool. So we've had the Google Lens for a while. So if you're in your photos and we go ahead and just open up a photo, let's just go ahead and open a photo here. So we have Lens here, which will go and pick out different things here. But what's nice is we don't have to leave where we're at. So wherever you're at, so if we just jump into Google here, and let's just click here, we can pretty much pick anything. You can just press and hold from wherever you're at, just press and hold that, and then circle whatever it is you want, and it will go out and it will grab that information. And then, like I said, if you want, you can press and hold, and then you can actually zoom in. So if I just wanted this right here, I can go ahead and select that, and you'll see that it brings up all different related information. What else is cool is you can actually add to this. So you can click next to it and you can add. So if I wanted to say, what does this mean? Then it will come back and it will tell me what that means. And it says the purple X icon on Snapchat means that someone has sent you a friend request that you've not yet accepted. And then it has some other information. So this is a really cool feature that has been given to the Pixel 8 Pro that Google's released. I don't know if it's going to make it down to some of the other Pixel devices, but very handy feature. Definitely, if you have a Pixel 8 Pro, check it out. If when you press down and hold and you don't get that vibration, just make sure that you go into the Play Store and update, make sure you have the latest updates. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so you get updated when new videos get uploaded. And thanks again for watching.